Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar. My name is Flor Lievano, the founder and the CEO at Orange App, an accounting, administrative and financial outsourcing for companies that make a difference. I am a person who believes that empowering people's dreams is the best way to turn traditional into exceptional actions. This webinar was made by entrepreneurs like you. We work with the same passion that you do, following our dreams and helping others achieve their dreams. In this webinar, you will walk through 5 easy steps to understand how keeping the books is the key for growing business. I invite you to stay until the end of this webinar. I have a great option that can help you managing your books and walk you through the way of achieving your dreams. And yes, maybe you're asking why of this webinar. It's because we know how hard is a daily journal for an entrepreneur. We have to deal with so many things, and most of the time we would like to have more time to do everything. The bookkeeping process is one of the most important processes to really control our business and make smart decisions. That's why it's important to invest time on this task or leave it in spare hands. How we can help you? All this time at Orange App, we have been helping companies to streamline their bookkeeping, resulting in more savings, more time to grow their business, and less stress. Let's get started. So, you have done it. You start up the business you always dream of having, and things seem to be off to a good start. You have designed the product, identified your target market, and set up a website. However, there is one less glamorous task you can ignore. Keeping your books in order is one of the key steps to maintaining a healthy cash flow, ensuring that you have enough money to pay the bills while still earning a profit. Being disorganized can cost the company money and also might also have legal ramifications if you fail to file tasks properly. How to keep the books for a small business? 5 easy steps. Today we are going to learn 5 easy steps to keep the books for a small business. Here are few things to keep in mind when thinking about how to manage your company's finance. The number 1 is keep a ledger. Yes, a ledger is a record of the inflow and outflow of money in the business. Use a ledger to record all the transactions that your business makes. Document every sale you make, all the expenses you accrue, and any benefits or other costs. You can keep a ledger the old-fashioned way using pen and paper, or you can opt for a more sophisticated system. That's what I recommend. With all the technology that we have, we can use systems like QuickBooks, Xero, Waves, Excel. Number 2, file the invoices. Invoices and receipts are the backbone of a small business. For every transaction, keep a copy of each receipt. If you decided to use a computer-based system to keep a record of the company's transactions, take advantage of that system's ability to create and store electronic receipts and invoices. Otherwise, invest in a scanner so you can manually scan and save paper invoices and receipts on your computer. Number 3, manage expenses. It is equally important to keep records of the expenses your business accrues. By doing this, you can benchmark your expenses against your income to determine whether or not you're spending money at an unsustainable level. For instance, you might realize that the amount you're spending for high-speed internet access could be reduced by switching to a competitor, or determine that another supply offers a lower transaction fee for online payments. Number 4, reconcile bank statements. Business managers regularly review their finance to determine if they are incurring losses, breaking even, or making a profit. One of the best ways to go about this is by comparing the ledgers to your monthly bank statements. Not only does this give you a chance to look over each transaction in detail, it will also help you identify any discrepancies. Make it a habit to check your bank statements every month to make sure they align with your internal ledger. Number 5, task preparation. Yes, this is the final thing that a small business must be aware of when managing their books is the responsibility to pay tax. Not only must you pay tax on revenue, but you also may be liable to pay tax on any service or products you buy from others. Keep all your paperwork in line so you're prepared to pay the IRS come tax time. Don't forget, keeping your books in order is one of the key steps to evaluate a business financial health, providing small business owners with the grounding needed to make smart decisions. I told you, if you apply these 5 easy steps, finance don't have to be overwhelming. As a business owner, your main goal should be work to grow your business and achieve your dreams. Focusing your energy in getting those clients, improving your product or service, and leave the task of keeping the company books in expert hands. How we can help you? Well, at Orange Shop, we manage remotely your business accounting and finance, helping you to save time and money so you can focus in what you love. When you focus on growing your business and leave the task of keeping the books in expert hands, you free up your time. Yes, we know time is precious. Don't spend it on what you don't like to do. Outsource it so you can enjoy more and be the right kind of busy. Guarantee accurate calculations. Know your startup financials are always up to date, accurate, and ready when you need them. Delay support. Use our experts to your advantage by delivering access to real-time financial metrics. Relieve your stress. Yes, don't work yourself into the grave. Let us do what we love. Your colleagues and family will love you more for it. Keep your organization looking professional. Your business is judged by your control of the finance, and we will ensure you're ready for any inquiry. Crunch numbers. Your knowledge of the finance can help you spot dangers before it's too late through financial projections. And yes, getting started is the easiest thing you will do today. Let us manage the numbers so you can focus on the bigger picture. We do your book so you can focus on your business. Together, we will work to grow your business so you can achieve your dreams. Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for staying until the end of this webinar. We hope you enjoyed it. Okay, let's see what questions came in. We have already some questions that we got for previous days, and I'm just gonna answer some of them. Then, the first question that we have here right now is, when should I start with bookkeeping? Then, our advice is like as soon as you start with your business, the ideal is like also start with your bookkeeping at the same time, but also if you maybe at the beginner don't have enough money to pay for it, you can just start like doing it when you start doing like 25 or 30 transactions per month. I think that's the ideal when you should contract a bookkeeping. We got another question right here. It says, what types of company do you focus on? Then we start working with services-based business, and we have been recently working with companies that sells different kind of products, non-profits and profits company. Also, we got this question, number 3 says, how is the process like working with a bookkeeper? Then, okay, normally this process is in this way. The client provides the bookkeeper with all the supporting documents for each transaction. The client upload all their information in a Google Drive folder. At this point, the bookkeeper is available to record all the information in the accounting software, and depending on each client, we can use QuickBooks, Xero, or Wix. For example, at Orange Chat, we use leading industry software and tools. In this way, the client can easily keep using the same software, and yeah, it's like very easy for them to understand if they want to get in and like understand how it loses their information. And at the end of recording all the transactions in the system, the bookkeeper is able to generate the different reports to the client, like the income statement, the balance sheet, and in this way, like getting all these reports is when the client can understand how the business is doing, you know. Okay. We got also this question. Can you explain a typical balance sheet? And then, okay. At high level, yes, the purpose of a balance sheet is to showcase the company's current net worth, you know, and how the business is spending money. We are going to discuss more about this in a future webinar that we are planning. And yes, we can give the detail of these reports that are really important for the business owner to understand their business. Okay. Thank you again for all the time that you spent here in this webinar. If you want to know more about Orange Shop, you want to know our service in detail, you can go to our website, orangeapp.info, and you can get all the information. If you have any more questions, please let us know. Send us an email. You will get all the information that you need in our website. Thanks again. Enjoy the day. Bye.